DIY Lent Candle. In tomorrow's creative arts session, students will engage in crafting their own Lent candle. They will choose vibrant colours and add personal touches with decorative elements. As the candles take shape, we can watch their handmade creations will light up the Lent season.
Cardboard circles. This will be a paper candle. Our fire. Okay. We're going to glue it together. Boost it. Take a circle. Come on, Tan. Get out. Get out.
And then you take your flame, we put more glue on the stick, and then you put your flame on there. Okay, don't pull it apart. Stick your flame on. That's it. Ava, you need more glue. Glue on that bit. And then you can stick on your flame. You need to put this on there, okay? Oops. Oh, Ava, look, we need glue first. Now you can put it on. Go on, stick it on. There you go. Hey. Good job, Ava.